How to Stop Procrastinating, a guide inspired by Jordan Peterson. Procrastination is one of the biggest obstacles to success. Many of us struggle with staying focused and taking action toward our goals. But what if you could overcome this habit and develop a mindset that drives you forward? Inspired by Dr. Jordan Peterson's insights, this guide will help you break free from procrastination and become more industrious. Welcome to the Life Pulse. Let's dive in. Procrastination isn't just about being lazy. It often stems from deeper psychological factors like fear of failure, lack of clear goals, or poor time management. When we avoid tasks, we experience temporary relief. But over time, this habit leads to stress, missed opportunities, and even lower self-esteem. The good news? You can fight back. The first step to overcoming procrastination is setting meaningful goals. Dr. Peterson emphasizes that having a compelling vision for your life can serve as a powerful motivator. Here's how. 1. Identify what truly matters to you. Think about what you want in different areas of your life: career, relationships, health, and personal growth. 2. Write down your goals. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I want to start a business that provides financial stability and fulfillment." 3. Visualize your ideal future. Where do you want to be in 3 to 5 years? What would your life look like if you took action toward your dreams? 4. Consider the consequences of inaction. Think about what happens if you continue to procrastinate. This contrast can serve as an extra push to stay on track. Big goals can feel overwhelming, which often leads to procrastination. The solution? Break them down into small, manageable steps. Instead of, write a book, start with, write 200 words per day. Instead of, get in shape, commit to, do a 20-minute workout 3 times a week. Instead of, find a new job, aim for apply to 2 jobs per week. By tackling smaller tasks, you create momentum and make progress feel achievable. A well-structured schedule is one of the most effective tools for staying productive. But as Dr. Peterson explains, your schedule shouldn't feel like a prison. It should be designed to make your life better. Use a calendar, like Google Calendar, to plan your day. Balance responsibilities with rewards. Work hard, but also schedule breaks and activities you enjoy. Set deadlines. Parkinson's law states that work expands to fill the time available. Give yourself clear time limits to complete tasks. Track progress. Check things off your list to create a sense of accomplishment. Many people struggle with self-discipline because they try to be their own tyrant, demanding perfection and productivity at all times. Instead, treat yourself as someone worth negotiating with. If you complete a difficult task, reward yourself with something enjoyable. If you fail, don't beat yourself up. Analyze why it happened and adjust your plan. Find a balance between work and leisure that keeps you motivated and happy. Have you ever thought about how much time procrastination is costing you? Let's break it down. If your time is worth $50 per hour and you waste 6 hours a day, that's $2,000 per week, or over $100,000 per year lost to procrastination. Even if your time is worth $30 per hour, that's still tens of thousands of dollars lost each year. Instead of wasting time, invest it in learning, improving skills, and working toward your goals. At the end of the day, fighting procrastination is about building a life you are excited to wake up to. By setting clear goals, breaking them into actionable steps, structuring your time effectively, and treating yourself with respect, you can break free from the cycle of avoidance and take control of your future. Dr. Jordan Peterson is a renowned clinical psychologist, professor, and best-selling author known for his deep insights into psychology, philosophy, and personal development. With decades of experience in clinical practice, he has helped countless individuals overcome challenges and build meaningful lives. Through his books, such as 12 Rules for Life and Beyond Order, as well as his powerful lectures, he has inspired millions worldwide to take responsibility, find purpose, and strive toward their highest potential. If you haven't heard or read much about him, do yourself a favor and get familiar with his work. He has an amazing mind. Thank you for watching the Life Pulse. We'd love to hear from you. How do you deal with procrastination? Have you found any effective strategies that work for you? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's keep pushing forward and building the best version of ourselves, one step at a time. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.